PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
What is he doing? He serves like this. Stop underestimating your opponent. Let me show you a little trick. You need to chop. Are you doing it like this? The motion is downward from here. Is that how you add power? You need to come out a bit. Hand high, ball low. Chop the ball when it comes to you. Actually, the ball should be slightly lower. At least be about the same height as him. Place it directly at a height similar to his. Others can tell what you're planning from your racket position. Don't let him see your intentions. Still here. Quickly move around. Haha, do you understand now? You're still chopping here, right? Maybe I just chopped it out like this, but I'm not chopping it right now. I drop it down. Relax your hand and drop it. Now the ball is approximately at the same height, right? What is he doing? He serves just like this. Stop underestimating your opponent. Do you understand? Even though you don't do it as skillfully as me, even though your movements may not be as skillful, but it's okay, you'll get it. Don't let others figure it out. Both of us fools stand facing each other. If both of us receive the serve, chopping the serve is coming. This way, it looks a bit secretive. Nice. There's another one. After you serve long, come back. Remember this. In the middle of the game, if your previous shot stole a long one from the opponent, right? Whether this shot succeeds or not, next you might have to serve short, thinking about snatching it yourself. Right. Pay special attention to your first short one. You serve 2 consecutive rounds. If you're serving all short balls, it's relatively easy to serve short. Just because you served long before, you've given some of your energy away. So when you serve short again, you need to pay special attention. Apart from how you control your hand, how you control the first hop, think about your abdomen more. Because the first short, serving the first short ball is the most difficult. What should you think about specifically? Control with your abdomen. It won't go off the table easily. And then you serve long. After serving long, come back and serve short. Whether you made to the table or not. Using your abdomen, understand that, come on, then serve long again. Alright, now come back and serve short. Don't let it go off the table and give it some strength. Very good. Was that intentional? Use your stomach. Relax the long ones. Serve the short ones beautifully, don't rush. Serve the long ones elegantly, then serve quickly. Nice. Basically, you got it. Serve short. Can you give a little hop? Very simple. Let's have one more. You want to serve short on this side. Another one, right? The first white line. Smart. Use the same amount of force. Aim for the line and serve. Serve to this first line. Definitely serve short on this side. Once you figure out the pattern, it's easy, right? You keep thinking about me. Don't let the opponent read my racket angle. You can immediately see what I'm going to serve. It's the same for short serves, right? You shouldn't. You quickly move away when I serve long. You stay close when I serve short. My short serves are the same. You see me drop for a short serve, right? Once I toss. When it drops, it arches, right? See, I drop for a short serve. Watch me toss. So, I have to long and to short serve. I'm here to hide my intentions. Don't reveal your serve by tossing and racket angle. They will know what you're up to. Alright, try mixing up the long and short serves. Imagine we're both receiving your serve. Try changing it up yourself. Basically can solve it in one go. Good. Nice and relaxed. Steal his forehand. Okay. You want to steal to his forehead. Add a little at the end. Look, I was originally going that way. The block was normal. Step a little to the left with your foot, then block. Then it goes out, right? Did it go out? Yes, but you went that way. It didn't go over. What to do? Add a bit of a step to the right. Understand? Look, when you use your right foot like that. Did it go over? Add some right step. You only stepped with your left foot. It feels a bit awkward. Do you feel it, right? Right? Okay. Add some step to the right, then it'll go over, right? Did it go over? Exactly. Don't let them figure it out. I'm doing the same thing. Should I add a bit to the right? Then it'll go over, right? Add some right step. You only stepped with your left foot. It's a bit difficult to go that way, right? Using that way is no problem. Give it a try. Clever. Hit the ball at the weak spot. You need to generalize from this. Don't expose your intentions when preparing your shot. Don't talk about your shot preparation. You're trying to cheat your opponent's forehand side. You've telegraphed your shot intentions even earlier than that shot preparation. See, didn't I explain it? It's tough to serve in this direction, right? Do you think a straight serve will cover wide? A straight serve won't make it over. It's the same thing in front of you. You're at the very end. He's covering his forehand side, right? Add a slight right step here, and you'll get past him. Add a little spin here, and you'll get past him easily. Start by standing here. The setup is good for serving. Do you still want me to explain the back end? I'm a fool to start. Totally wasted, right? Make it look so good that they can't tell. At that last moment, give him a signal again. Signal him at the very end. He won't know what you're up to at the front. It's all the same. Right. All your shots, regardless of what kind of shot you make. Just be ready with the ball in hand. The ball should be at the side of your ear. Others won't be able to trace it. Then, start confusing him. Beautiful. Good. You can easily pass this shot. We'll go through this once today. Ensure that your serving routine is very mature. It's up to you to solidify it later. Beautiful, right? Very good. Beautiful. Should you slightly step in with your right foot? Should you serve with a slightly opened angle? Relax your grip on the bat. Directly smash it down again, acting like I'm a fool again. I think you're still a bit stiff. You're still doing this. What do I need? Let me exaggerate a bit for you. I can still come around. You have time, don't worry. The ball doesn't drop that fast. Look. You're now. They definitely know what you're up to. It's a loop, right? Understand? Come on. This is a core issue. Yes, smart. Don't just be smart once. Right. Very good. Then flick with your wrist. Move the bat with your fingers and wrist. Oh, beautiful.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.